The Master Pyraminx is a non-WCA puzzle that is the next size up from the Pyraminx. It was produced by Shengshao and costs $11 on CubeCZ, which is about £8. In this video, I will give my thoughts on this cube and discuss whether or not it is worth buying. The turning of this cube is very average for a non-WCA puzzle. It is smooth and relatively fast, but if you try and turn very fast, the cube will lock up. If you are not trying to speed solve it though, the turning will be fine. Saying that, the tips are really bad, pretty stiff, and with the unfortunate habit of moving on their own as you turn. The wing pieces can also pop sometimes, but only if you turn very fast. From this, it would seem that the turning is bad, but again, it isn't. It just isn't good enough to be enjoyable to speed solve. The solve of this cube is similar to a 4x4 in terms of the method. You reduce it down to a smaller cube, in this case a Jing's Pyraminx, and then you solve that cube. It takes about a minute to solve, and is quite easy, but the method is not obvious, so there is a good chance you will need a tutorial to learn, especially for one case for the very centerpieces, which is a parity case that you cannot get on the Jing's Pyraminx. The solve is basically just a lot of moves that are similar to the Pyraminx and Jing's Pyraminx solves. I would say that the Master Pyraminx is more similar to a Pyraminx than a 4x4 is to a 3x3. So, is this cube worth buying? Well, it depends. If you like Pyraminx and similar puzzles, I would definitely recommend this cube, because it has aspects of a Pyraminx solve, but just more of them, and other similar aspects. If you like Pyraminx, this cube is a really good option. However, if you don't like or don't really care about Pyraminx, I would probably not recommend this cube. It's not a very unique solve, and for the same or a lower price, you can get a cube that is a lot more different from the WCA puzzles. I think you should look into cubes that are more unique, like the Ready Cube or Dino Cube, before looking into cubes like the Master Pyraminx.